this is me with just my skincare on my face. Hi guys, today is a Sunday. Sunday, busy day. Saturday, busy day pa din. So, I'm here in my study area. So, bumili ako nito last time para mas maging productive and, I have a very comfortable place to study where I can spend my whole day with. So, yon, for today's agenda, we are going to laundry, and that is our IM for our upcoming demonstration. And I wasn't able to film yesterday because we are so busy, as in busy kami, like from morning until 5 in the afternoon we were doing things like that. And sobrang init. Bili tayo ng damit. Look guys, yun na lang yung grocery na tayo guys. Guys, nakalimutan ko kumuha ang basket. Sadly guys, walang maliit dito. So, this rose fresh. Wala. Ayun lang. Guys, nakakainis. Mostly nang bibilhin ko wala. Gagawin